Hello, my name is Mark Boice with Scared Shiftless, SoCal, California, and welcome to Rides and Wrecks. What we have here is a 1969 Corvette with a 4-speed with the reverse lockout. The reverse lockout could be a real hassle, or it could be your friend. The hassle part is actually engaging it in and out. You can push the clutch in, won't come out of gear. You absolutely have to turn the ignition on, push the clutch in to release the gear from reverse. Now you're able to shift. The best time to do this actually is when the vehicle is actually running, to engage and disengage a reverse lockout. A lot of times these parts are missing because it's been such a hassle for many, many years. But now with the aftermarket parts, you can actually put it back to the original state also. If you go in there and you try to force this transmission in and out of the gears, what happens is it can actually damage the synchros, your first gear, second, third, fourth gear, depending on how hard you want to try to do this. A lot of times these were such a pain to actually get in and out of gear that these little tabs, people would fight these things and just fight them and pull up, and it was just a major hassle. If your transmission rods aren't exactly perfect the way it's supposed to be, you can have a real nightmare on your hands. But remember, in order to engage this, key on, now we can take it out of gear. Put it in, clutch in, and out, right? If you leave the key on, what's going to happen is, if you have the battery connected, you can actually damage your points. If you have a point distributor, it'll fry them, your car won't run. If you have a pointless distributor, what happens is your coil gets hot and it starts melting all the wires. So you just can't turn the ignition on, put it in neutral, and think, hey, all is good and golden. A lot of transportation companies like to leave it in neutral, use the emergency brake, so they're able to like go up and down on their dollies and things like that. Not in this case, not with this particular vehicle. So we're just gonna put it in there, turn it off, let our clutch out, it's locked. You cannot actually put this back in reverse or turn the key off like that. You actually have to have the key on. My name is Mark, and I want to thank you for watching Rides and Wrecks. And remember to subscribe to our channel for some really cool tips, tricks and tips like this.